In today's video, I will do a quick review of CryptoKitties platform. I will go through the most important, will share with you some personal insights and experience with the platform. And as well, you will see how to buy kitties, how to sell them, and how to breed them. Welcome to the trading channel, it's Petko Alexandrov, and today I am on CryptoKitties.ko, a platform that is relatively popular already in the virtual world, and especially for the people that like kitties. And if you don't want to miss reviews to other crypto platforms and NFT platforms, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified whenever we upload new video. Alright, so the first thing I'll be doing is to click on start, and I will create an account with MetaMask. So I already have an account. I will put my email and I will put a nickname. And for example, I will just use my name, which is absolutely fine for me. Okay, here it is, Petko Alexandrov, and I will tap on continue. And almost there. As a final step, your wallet will ask you to digitally sign in to link it with CryptoKitties. Click the button to proceed, sign in. So here comes my MetaMask account. All I need to do is just to sign, okay? It says in Bulgarian language sign. Let me just translate it to English. Signature. Okay, so here it is. I will just sign it. And here we go. That's all I had to do. I am now connected with my MetaMask account, so I have some Ethereum to use. And then what's nice to see is that there are plenty of classes and guides. So for example, if I start the kitten class, which is the first one, you will see a kitten class breeding. Alright, so what's the idea here? You can buy kitties from the marketplace and just keep them as NFTs or resell them. But with CryptoKitties platform, you can do much more. You can play with them, you can breed them. And the first class is about breeding. So it's a demonstrational class, and I would suggest you to go over it if you're interested, just to play around. And you will see that they give you 2 kitties. And if I click on next, you can read the tips below. Each kitty is unique, and they give you the option to use the buttons to learn how to use the platform. So for example, if I want to breed them, I will decide which kitty is the lady, which, for example, I will tap on the pink one. Then I will need to select the male one, so I'll click on the next one, and then okay, give them some privacy, right? And this is how the kitties will breed, and they will do the magic, and you will see a new kitty born. Okay, so this way basically you can create new kitties, and after that you can sell them, or you can use them as a male on the platform, so others might use your kitty to breed with their female kitties and so on. It's very entertaining. And if I tap on the egg, you will see how the kitty is born. It's a new unique NFT kitty, and then you can sell it, or you can store it, or one more time you can use it for breeding as well. Okay, so there are plenty of tips as well on CryptoKitties website. For example, it is recommended that you breed kitties from the same generation. Okay, so you see that these 2 that are examples here are from generation 2, and of course the more unique the kitty is, that is better. I will go back to the main website and I will show you what's more here. So one more time, make sure to go through the guides. They will give you a better idea and understanding how it works, how you can sell kitties or siring them. There are plenty of tips as well, how the cat features work, what are the cat attributes. For example, you can see what a kitty we have here. Attributes could be the eyes, the mouth, or anything around it. Then we have cooldown speed. So every time the kitties breed, they have some cooldown parameter. So for example, it could be slow, okay, and you see how much time it takes. Basically, this is how much time it takes from one breeding to the next one, so you can use the kitty again to produce a new kitty. Okay, so this is about the breeding, very entertaining, especially if you have a daughter. This is how actually I got into CryptoKitties website. I played together with my daughter because she likes stuff like that, and I wanted to teach her something that is connected to the crypto, but at the same time will be interesting for her. Obviously, if I show her trading patterns and charts and my crypto trading or investing, it wouldn't be interesting for her, right? But when I showed her the CryptoKitties, she got very entertained, and she already has her own account where I'm sending some Ethereum, and she is buying some kitties, selling them. I don't know how many kitties actually she has right now. And at the same time, this is the future, right? Or we can say already it's a present, because there are thousands of people playing on the CryptoKitties website. And something very important here, every time we do a transaction, we buy a CryptoKitty or we breed kitties, there are gas fees. Pay attention to that, because this is on the Ethereum blockchain and all the transactions are stored on the blockchain and we pay gas fees. So basically for everything you need Ethereum. And if I go again to the CryptoKitties main website, I will go back just to the main page. You will see that the marketplace is huge, okay? It's enormous. If I go to the catalog, you will see that we have the cat attributes, which I already mentioned. We have the fancy cats, exclusive cats, and by the name you can understand that this will be more expensive cat. So the more exclusive the cat is, obviously more money it will cost. You can see how different these cats are. For example, I will click on that one that looks like coming from Hawaii. So this is the Papakatuanuku. As you see the number, okay? So this is a cat with the number 1,500,000, and usually kitties with such unique number, or we can say it's a milestone number, cost a lot of money. And you can see what is the price, okay? It's over 1,000 Ethereums, and by the time I'm recording this video, Ethereum sits nearly to $3,000. So, yep, that's a lot of money, guys. And below you can see the birthday, March the 31st, 2019. And we have some special features as well. We have who the parents are. And I can click on the mother and I can see more details about the mother, okay, which cost 0.5 of Ethereum, which is about $1,451 at the current moment. And you can see what are her attributes and which are her parents, the children. So I can go now to her father or the grandfather of the initial kitty that I showed to you, and right here you can see who is the owner as well, and below we will see all the children. Okay, so you see how many children this kitty has, okay, like many. So in the catalog you can go through the different kitties, you can go through some special editions as well, and one more time, the more unique the kitty is, or the earlier generation it is, or if it has a unique number, like a roundish number, it will cost a lot of money. But on the other hand, there are some kitties that are relatively cheap. For example, if I click on search and I tap on for sale, will be all the kitties that are for sale. And you see that the starting point is 0.001 and they are sorted by price. And if I click on the first one, you will see all the info about that kitty. It's called Honeybee. It's 15th generation. It has 7 likes. There are cat attributes, the birthday of the kitty. There are the parents and the children. And I just noticed that the button is inactive, okay? It says auction issue, please find a new kitty on the market. So currently I cannot buy that kitty for some reason, but what I wanted to show you to conclude in the video is that even if you go through the expensive ones that sell for nearly $1 million or even more, for example, if I click on that one, you will see that this kitty sells for over 1,000 Ethereums, which is over $1 million. So the NFTs are not actually the market where you can get rich in a few days, and you can buy the super cheap NFTs and then just change the price to thousands of Ethereums. There are people doing it for sure, okay? So there are people that are buying the cheap kitties, they just change some attributes and so on, and they increase the price, but that's okay. It's a free market and you can set any price of the kitties that you own, but make sure to research very well the kitties if you are planning to spend more money. And what I wanted to say is that even you choose the very good kitty, this applies actually for the whole NFT world, right? Even you spend a lot of money for an NFT, there is no guarantee that after that you will be able to sell it for more money and make some profit out of it. So as I've said, personally, I've been playing with this platform for some time. My daughter enjoys it, so if you have a daughter, it might be a platform where she could play around if you have some extra Ethereums to spend, of course. And of course, if the kitties are not your thing, then you should go ahead with other NFT platforms where you can find more suitable art for your personality. On the CryptoKitties.ko website, we have kitties, okay? And personally, one more time, I found it useful for my daughter, and the platform is expanding actually. There are new kitties every day coming up, so I'm pretty sure that the people who specialize into it and know how exactly to choose the generations, the types of kitties, and breed new kitties that worth money, it could be a nice flow income in the long term. Alright, so let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, or share your experience with CryptoKitties.ko, so the video will be more useful for everyone watching. And if you have enjoyed the video, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you'll get more crypto videos from us. Take care and stay safe.